So TinkerCad doesn't natively support like cutting up meshes. So when I imported this STL, it came in as a 1. I want it to be 2 pieces. So you have to do is you have to duplicate it, move this out of the way, and cut one part out of each. So here I'm going to cut this one away. Group it to get rid of it. Now I got that part, so I'm going to now do the same thing on this and keep the lid and get rid of the other box. In case you're wondering how I move the board, you just hold down Shift and use your mouse button. That's how you move the whole plane. Oops, I am not down far enough, so why does this keep doing this? Alright, now let's try this again. Now I have 2 pieces separated apart. That is how you do it. That's the hack.